All right. They cut the giant cottonwood tree down. There's the logs over there. Huge. Taller than the fire hydrant. Look at that. Today, they're working on mine. When I come home, there won't be any more trees there. So we'll get one last hurrah here with the old all that's going. All that canopy. Those two trees. They're gonna chip her up, shove it in there. Just like that. That's how it's done. They're gonna leave me some logs, I guess. Something to deal with. So, this won't be a very long video. I just thought I'd see one last adios on the trees. Kind of bittersweet, but there's nothing I can do. That's all cleared out. It's only gonna be like a minute or so because boss man wants to go. I'm borrowing his phone because mine's full right now. I haven't had time to deal with it. So just a quick one. Stay safe.